How to overcome laziness? 10 practical tips. Make your goals manageable. Don't expect yourself to be perfect. Use positive instead of negative self-talk. Create a plan of action. Use your strengths. Recognize your accomplishments along the way. Ask for help. Avoid distraction. Make tedious tasks fun. Reward yourself. Make your goals manageable. Smart goal setting. Specific. Define clear, specific goals. Measurable. Make sure you can track progress. Attainable. Create goals that are realistic. Relevant. Ensure your goals align with your big picture goal. Time bound. Assign a target date to keep accountable. Don't expect yourself to be perfect. This rise in perfectionism is causing people to be overly critical of themselves and others. It also leads to an increase in depression and anxiety. The expert in anything was once a beginner. Great things come out of patience. Use positive instead of negative self-talk. Self-talk is your internal dialogue. It's influenced by your subconscious mind, and it reveals your thoughts, beliefs, questions, and ideas. Self-talk can be positive and encouraging. Much of your self-talk depends on your personality. Be an optimist, then your self-talk may be more hopeful and positive. Research suggests people with positive self-talk may have mental skills that allow them to solve problems, think differently, and be more efficient at coping with hardship or challenges. This can reduce the harmful effects of stress and anxiety. Create a plan of action. Look at the big picture. Identify the parts of the task. Think about the logical order of completing the parts of the task. Create a timeline for completing your task. Have a plan to help you stay on track. Complete your task early enough to have some time left for a final review. Use your strengths. Discover your strengths. Determine to put your strengths to work. Identify words of affirmation that speak to your strengths. Create a personal vision statement that includes applying your strengths, and read that statement every morning. Create an action plan to put your strength to work. Recognize your accomplishments along the way. Celebrating your accomplishments is critical to your success. It positively affects your mental health. Celebration will strengthen your network with those around you. You'll feel like a winner, and winners keep winning. Dream big, work hard, make it happen, and reward yourself. Ask for help. Make sure you have chosen the best person to ask. Pick the right moment to approach them. Avoid times when they are obviously rushed or busy. Use the right communication channel. Ask the person face to face, on the telephone, or in an email or instant message. This will depend on many factors, including your relationship with the person, the nature of the request, and your physical location. Show your appreciation when someone agrees to help you. Always say thank you and consider ways you can either celebrate or reward their help. Avoid distraction. Make a conscious effort to avoid distractions around you based on your environment. Keep your vision and goals in mind. Do those tasks as soon as possible. Focus on the smallest part of your work at a time. Visualize yourself working. Improve your discipline with focused practice. Manage your momentum. Make tedious tasks fun. Schedule tedious activities for when you are fresh. Focus on the rewards that are going to come from the tasks. Make sure you have a growth mindset and you want constant and never-ending improvement. Make the task a competition with yourself or others if you want to include others. It makes it fun and exciting. Be willing to change. Create new habits. Make tedious tasks enjoyable. Reward yourself. Some people can work really well under pressure, and a certain amount of pressure is needed in order for you to push yourself and succeed. However, in order to keep your mental and physical health in order, you should remember to reward yourself. Common rewards often include a break to watch your favorite show at the end of a study session, a day off at the end of a week of hard work, or a short trip away at the end of a successful semester. How to overcome laziness, 10 practical tips. If you found this video helpful and if you wish to receive more videos to help your studies in future, make sure you are subscribed to Great Life. Stay safe, dream big, work hard and make it happen. Achieve a great life.